Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Welcome back, Quant family. Over the past few days, we've seen pretty much a pump of around, from this candle to here, a 4% move. Now, it's not too great. Again, we've been ranging for a long time and Quant has not really been doing much. This should really be opening your eyes to the possibility of diversifying your portfolio, because as I know, some of you that I've taught in the past that joined the chat are not there anymore, but a lot of those guys were only holding just Quant. This is the time to realize that that is not the best thing to do. I've already told you my experiences in the past bull market, where I started off with about 15 coins and a lot of them went to go ahead and do 50 and 100x, but then I shifted these 15 into 5 and eventually 3, and I only gained about 20-30x on the coins that I kept, and I missed out on 50 and maybe even 100x's. And so that's why I've realized that this time around you need to be as diversified as possible, so you don't put over reliance on just one coin. I'm not trying to draw you out of Quant, but maybe if we do actually see the breakouts to the upside, where we do get to 120 and $130, it could be if you didn't have spare money to move into certain alts. Because over the past 3 days in my Discord community, I don't unfortunately share all the cryptos on the YouTube, but there are some gems like your Naka, your Casper, your Injective. There's many gems out there on the YouTube channel where you can do further research and find even more with similar market caps. But in the Discord community over the past 3 days, we've seen some cryptos of ours go up 30% in 3 days, 40%, 80% and 90% on 4 different cryptos in the Discord community. So it could be that if you feel like you're missing out because Quant is just not moving, maybe if we do actually eventually get to this 120 and 130 target and you didn't have spare money to invest into new coins, it could be a moment where you're like, okay, now I'm looking to actually diversify, where Quant has now pumped. Maybe I'm just going to move a little bit out of, so I can start building and diversifying essentially. And I'm more than happy to help you guys out. Again, my portfolio is all linked in the Discord community, and over there we do 2 weekly group calls where I mentorship you on how to read the chart and trade exactly like me. So let's now continue with the Quant update. And if you haven't already, please do like, subscribe, comment, share. We're on the road to 7.5k subscribers before the end of this year, and I've also got Black Friday discounts until the end of this month as well. Just use the links down below, head straight to the website or the Twitter for more information. Follow me there anyway, because I will post further updates over on there throughout the day. Now, we did actually hold this as support over the past day, and we already made a video on that. So we were essentially saying that we need to go ahead and break this level. The reason why I'm making an update today, and an important one, is because we're about to see a bearish signal flash on Quant that we really need to go ahead and invalidate. We are of course holding the support. As we lost it, you need to reclaim it and confirm it. We've done so, but just because that's actually been confirmed as support, it doesn't mean going ahead we can't lose it. It's not 100% guaranteed that this continues to hold, because while we bounced off of this confirming as support, we need to break through the key levels of resistance, which was once marked out a few weeks ago as a level that we needed to maintain as support for the continuation higher. And we started to see the moves back up. We were getting very excited over the past week or so, and then we got dumped back down to this key level of support that we can't lose. It was lost, so you're looking for these targets to be met, and then we've gone ahead and invalidated it by reclaiming it and confirming it as support. So the very main thing that we need to see going forward right now is a breakthrough this wick that was once support, where we need to hold, where the 200 EMA lies until now. And the reason why we need to see this breakout today or tomorrow is because we are about to see a bearish crossover here between the 55 and the 200 EMA, and this is not a signal that you want to see at all, guys, because as you can see, when the 55 started creeping down, we met the 200 EMA with the candles, and this was very, very far away from the 200 EMA, the orange moving average. And so as they did not actually cross over, we've formed an EMA repel which sent us way higher from that location. That is what we need to see right now. We've lost the 200 EMA. If you want to go ahead and invalidate that, which is actually calling for continuation lower, then we need to see a pump back above it today. We need to see $100 being reclaimed today. Otherwise, there's a risk, even though we confirm this as support, that we keep failing to reclaim this previous support, which is now resistance, and the 200 EMA, as we are beneath it, serving as the top of our downtrend. So we need to flip this back into an uptrend where this serves as the bottom. So by breaking through $100, you will then flip this previous support which is now acting as resistance back into support and reclaiming the bottom of your uptrend, which is the 200 EMA. So yes, we did reclaim this level. We have confirmed its support, but it's vital to reclaim $100, because if we continue to get these wick rejections as we're seeing, we're looking for a loss of the 20, which is the 786 fib at $98.75 for the continuation back down to $96.88, where we're looking for continuation down to $92 and $90 over here as targets of this previous double top that we saw on the daily time frame. So it's very vital right now, which is to reclaim $100. And when we scale to the daily time frame, we can see that this $100 location is actually the 20 daily moving average. And we know what this specifically means. It means that if we are above it and holding its support, we're looking for immediate short-term price to go up, and we've seen that. So if we now hit it as resistance and see another daily candle closure beneath this, and as the 4-hour time frame, if we keep failing to break through this $100 level, this will eventually form a bearish cross where we're looking for a new downtrend. I know we've already been going down, but it's changing the complete trend. So right now in today's daily candle, we really need to reclaim $100. I hope that is understood. And then it's just further proof in the pudding why it's not good to have over reliance on just specifically 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 coins. We need to have loads and loads and loads spread out evenly. And essentially with that, you're not putting any reliance on one specific coin. These coins are just here to make money. Okay, if it's not making money, it's not what I'm in it for. So I'm just looking for those opportunities to make money. I still believe Quant will do that in this bull market. But again, over the past 3 days in the Discord community, we've seen coins go 30, 40, 80 and 90% up in the past 3 days, while this has just been waffling around for weeks and weeks and weeks. And actually, as we zoom out and look on this higher time frame, we can see that we're in the same price point from 2022. So this has done absolutely nothing. In fact, I told you guys to get out over here and get back in around this level on this purple box. So that's what I personally did. So lucky that I did get out, but I did what all of us did if you were watching the updates, as it hit a previous head and shoulders neckline. First retest of it, so you understand that a rejection is coming, and then you fall back either to this as support or this is support, and that's why we started the DCA back in over there. And I was suggesting that any price underneath $100 is a great long-term buy. Of course, a long-term, this is still a great project. Nothing is wrong with Quant. I still own Quant personally. I am still expecting $1,000, $2,000 per token in the upcoming bull market. But in these moments where nothing is going on over the past month or so, and we're seeing coins just in the past 3 days doing almost 100%. It's just a wake-up call to make sure that you're not wasting this upcoming bull market and pretty much squeezing all the juice out of the lemon. So if you want further information on the education, use the links down below. Head over to Twitter, join the Discord community, or head straight to the website where the discount promo codes are now applied. Cheers, everyone. Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Cheers, everyone.